Focus, stupid phone. Say hi to my new birdies, guys. They're little babies still. Rambo is the green one, and Tweety is the yellow one. Rambo's mean, and Tweety's so sweet. They're boys. Rambo bites a lot. Tweety will let you hold him though. It was crazy because the lady that was giving them away, we go to meet her and you would think she would give them like in a box or something. Nope, she handed them to me like that. I was freaking out. So cute, huh? So cute. Babies. So pretty. She clipped their wings crazy though. I've never seen them clip like that. But they still fly. Huh, guys? They still fly. Rambo got stuck in the tree. We had to go and chase him down. They're so funny, these birds. Hi. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Tweety. This one's so fluffy. Fluffy face and all. So cute. Wee, babies. Wee.